Question number 10. Figure 7.13 shows a toy. Its lower part is a hemisphere. This lower part of this toy is hemisphere. And the upper part is a cone. This upper part is cone. Find the volume and the surface area of the toy from the measures shown in the figure. Now students, this toy is the combination of cone and hemisphere. Okay. So if we want to find out the volume of this toy, we have to find out volume of this cone and then volume of hemisphere. Okay. For this cone, the dimensions given, radius of the base of cone is given 3 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. So the radius of the base of the cone is the radius of this hemisphere. Okay. And to calculate this volume and surface area, pi equal to, we have to take 3.14. Okay. So let us solve this question. Question number 10. Practice set 7.1. Question number 10. So first write down dimensions given. First we will write for cone. Radius is given. Radius R is given 3 centimeter. Height H is given 4 centimeter. Then write dimensions for hemisphere. For hemisphere we have only one dimension, that is radius is 3 centimeter. So we have these two shapes. Okay. Now to find out the volume of toy, we have to find volume of cone and volume of hemisphere. So let us first find out volume of cone. Volume of cone. Formula for volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3, value of pi given 3.14. Radius is given 3, so 3 into 3, and height 4. So let us simplify this first. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. We have 3.14 multiplied by 3 4s are 12. Now multiply this. 12 4s are 48. Carry 4. 12 1s are 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Carry 1. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. And leaving 2 digits give decimal point here. So unit for volume is centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. Then find volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Formula for volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. 2/3, value of pi 3.14, radius is 3, So 3 into 3 into 3. Simplify this. So we have here 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now first multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 6.28 multiplied by 9. Now multiply by 9. 9 8s are 72. Carry 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 25. Carry 2. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2. 54 plus 2 56. And here give decimal point. Centimeter cube. Okay, we got volume of both shapes, cone and hemisphere. Now volume of toy. Volume of toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone we got 37.68 plus volume of hemisphere 56.52. Now add this. 8 plus 2 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 5 12. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 6 14. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 5 9. And here give decimal point. Centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a toy. Followed? So volume we got. Second day asked, find the surface area of the toy. Now student, to find out the surface area of this toy, we have to find out curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of hemisphere. And curved surface area of cone is having formula pi r l. L means this slant height. So this slant height is not given, so we have to find out it. So this radius, height and slant height form right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem we can find slant height. So let us first find out slant height. Okay. So here write down slant height for cone. Slant height of cone L. So we know the formula. It is equal to square root r square plus h square. R square is 3. So 3 square plus 4 square. 9 plus 16. So L is equal to square root of 25. Therefore L is equal to 5 centimeter. And now find out curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone. Formula is pi r l. Value of pi is 3.14. Radius 3 and slant height 5. So first multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12. Carried 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. into 5. 5 2s are 10, carried 1. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, carried 2. 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 2, 47. Now this is called surface area. So unit for area is centimeter square. Now find out chord surface area of hemisphere. Chord surface area of hemisphere. Two pi r square. 2 into 3.14 and radius is 3. So 3 into 3. So 2 into 3.14 into 3 3s are 9. So here in volume also we have the same number. 2 multiplied by 3.14 into 9. So same answer you will get 56.52 centimeter square. Now chord surface area of toy. Surface area of a toy is equal to chord surface area of cone plus chord surface area of hemisphere. Chord surface area of cone is 47.10 plus 56.52 equal to 0 plus 2, 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 centimeter square.